Go up there.
Where's Luke?
Go up there, baby.
What?
Go up there and scare Liam. Go up there.
Where's Luke?
Go show him your scary face. Where's he?
I can't get up. I can't get up.
Okay, then come around.
Mama, turn it.
Where's Luke? Where's Luke? Luke, go show him your scary face.
I can't do this.
Go show him your scary face. All right, Liam. Where's Luke? Where's Luke? Where's Luke?
You want to jump with Liam? Show Tony how you can jump with Liam.
Show me how you can jump with Liam.
I saw.
Are you?